Meaning of fanciable.
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 Fanciable. The term fanciable refers to a person who is considered attractive or desirable as a romantic partner. It suggests that someone has qualities or traits that would make them appealing to others in a romantic context. The word is often used in a casual or informal manner and may imply physical attractiveness, personality traits, or other factors that make someone an appealing prospect for dating or romance. Overall, calling someone fanciable suggests that they are someone worth considering as a potential romantic partner.